Folks, we're back. So now I got the top part of the main rotor mounted up, as you can see, and I managed to clean up the blades as well. They look like brand new, even though they have little dents in here or whatever not, because I already, like I said, crashed a few times. So what we're gonna do now is test the main gear to see if it's working with the drone, to see if I have to move anything, so the blades can rotate the way they should. Everything should go the way it's supposed to go back in there. I haven't screwed anything else. So out of the way, just do here out of the way, and I made sure that everything is tight. So all the screws that I took out go back together, and I put a little lube on the gear, the main gear, that little guy right there. Then I'm just gonna plug in a battery. Oh yeah, and I took this old one here out, so that's trash. That's gonna go in the trash. I got here, a little clean up. Now, before I put the canopy back, the canopy is easy to do. It's just four little prongs, and that's it. And then I just clean up a little bit, and then plug in and see what we're gonna do here. There you go. Battery is in. We're hearing the little beeps. I got my son and my daughter over there because today I'm the babysitter. But I decided to just do this so I can finish up with the video. So there it is. All the way down. We're on hold. Right now it's on hold. You can set up your radio however you want it. I always have, because I started with plus 10 instead of regular 0 on my bottom pitch, bottom throttle, excuse me, throttle right here. I have it set up position hold so it doesn't fly away when I try to try to go up and down. And so here we go. We're looking at, I'll show you what you guys will be looking at. We're looking at this main gear here, and it's supposed to go up and down as you lift. So that's working. So that yep. So we got it. Both working. That center. Okay, now it's that center. Okay. Now this one here. That's that center. Okay. Now we're gonna go to side. Up. So it's going up. Okay. Everything seems to be working. I'm gonna turn on the helicopter, and the rear rotor should work right away, as it is. Now we're gonna try. Oh yeah. Brand new. It's not gonna fly anywhere right now. It's just maintaining its position. But as you can see, it's working fine. Now I'm just gonna turn it off. There we go. We're gonna go outside for a little test. Yes, hang on a second, okay?
But I don't have some.
Yes, you shouldn't have any. Hang on a minute.
I want some.
I will give you some. And I'm going to turn it off and put the canopy back on. I want cookies. I want cookies. I want some cookies. Oh, don't give him chocolate. It'll be worse. Alright, so here, the canopy is so easy. All gotta do is just squeeze this part in like that, and it does that, and then it goes right into that part, just like so. And all you gotta do is line up the little hooks that has inside the drone. There's one here, it's one here. On the other side, there's another two, and that's it. So it's easy to do it like this. You go in there, you squeeze it in like this, and you go in there like that. I usually do the front ones first because I want to line them up. Some people might do the back ones first. Also careful not to break them. And I like both of the back ones. Alright, now quick little check. Yep, that's it. Alright, so I'm gonna see if the battery goes back on that spot. No problem so far. We got the little guy here. And I'm gonna plug it back in. That's right there. There it is. So the noise is fine. See, it's beeping. And there you have it. Everything back to normal. So that's main gear change. That's the main gear. We got a brand new one in there. Alright folks, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.